Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and daily. Because today the weekly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. Or go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it next to it, a bell, turn it to all so like that when we put in a new video you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals there. Even you can benefit from those things free there. The link is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it's finished. It gives us here a indecision candle here, as you see it here. I will not say it's bad news or good news, because us here we got a very stronger level now, and even down we got a very stronger level. Every time when we touch it, we still stuck it there. And here in the weekly we got something new here, as you see it till now. We got here in the top the 100 moving average, and down here 200 moving average. So till now us we still stuck here between the two levels, and we are going to see some moves like that till we breaking either up or either down. So till now everything still looking the same. There is nothing new, guys. You need to wait in more till the right time. And may I tell it to you, we are going to make a correction to touch here. That channel will break here. Maybe we're going to touch here, and the market to give us something here like a flag like that. The market to give us here like a flag, and that one is a very continuation pattern, but the market maybe is going to drop till here. So that one is possible. And another thing, till now as we got in here, that trend line as we been talking about here, if you remember. Now as we are very close to touch it. If we're going to touch it, maybe we're going to see a big jump from here. So even that one is possible. So till now everything still looking the same, nothing new here. For long term level we got that very stronger supply and demand zone, as you see it here and here. So there is nothing new here. So here in the weekly there is nothing new. We need to wait and more. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week. So let's go in there, guys. The coming news for all the week, guys, as you see it, is it here? That's what we got. The first one here in Thursday, because in Monday we don't got nothing. We got Germany CPI and that ES short-term energy outlook of USA. Those ones, they will not affect the market that much. Plus we got here in Wednesday crude oil inventory, even though it will not affect the market too much. But in Thursday we got major news. We got the core CPI and the CPI data, as you see it, and here it's showing the CPI is going to go back higher, because the previous month we used to be 3%, and over here the showing is going to be 3.3. That one is very bad news here for the market. That way me I told you maybe we're going to see another drop. So everything's still looking the same, guys. Then in Friday, look what we got here. We got the GDP of UK, then we got that PPI of USA. Even those ones you need to be focused about them. And here is our friend, the table of us. As we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us till now. All US market, they started the week red here, but we need to wait until Monday candle finish it. Then also we're going to make a decision based on that. Till now everything still looking red. There is nothing new here. But in picture is too clear, guys, here. And down here, our friend that the VIX, also we're looking at it every week. As you see, its currencies go back high. As we go back 17 now, but we're still below 20, and we go back high because people, they are scared of inflation. That another problem coming now from USA, so we need to be dealing with it. And down here the US dollar, it's still in its place 101. So everything's still looking the same, guys, here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily we stayed at the last 2 days. sideways here. There is nothing new here. I just show you in the weekly, maybe there is another drop till we are going to touch here that level here, or we're going to touch that 100 moving average. Till now here we show you the one here, the trend line. Also we're still waiting if it's going to break up for us to enter long. I'm talking here about long-term investors. For short-term, also we're dealing with it every day. We give you signals in our Telegram and in our Discord. So till now it's showing to us maybe it's going to drop down here to touch that level here, but we're going to make a decision based on tomorrow, because tomorrow Monday candle, as you know, always doing against what is going to do all the week. But I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. Another thing here, let me show it to you, is those ones here, those moving averages. Also we're breaking here the 50. We're still down here in that level where also we buy. Me are thinking we are going to touch here that 100 moving average. If we are touch it by 25% from your capital, me I'm talking here about long-term investors. If it fall down here or below the 100 down here, I'm going to update you what to do. But till now everything's still looking the same. It's looking the Bitcoin is going to fall down here, or maybe tail down here. That bad news, but it's okay. That's a part of the game. And historically, Bitcoin in August and September always is a red 2 months. That's what it's telling us till now. Also we are going down more. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. You remember in yesterday video we told you also we enter along from here till the 50 moving average. We touch it today here. We take profit here, and now also we enter a short here in lower time frames, but we enter based on that 4 hour candle we finish here. That major pin bar will give us the market there. Me personally I'm thinking the market is going to fall down, but here for swing trading, if it's breaking down here, that trend line here as you see it, that one here, you can enter short. But look at it, everything still telling you also we are in a downtrend. I think picture is very clear till now. But the good news here in the 4 hours, you remember that wage here, people they've been with us, they remember it very well. Till now we couldn't break it, and every time we touch it, we market it show to us a rejection here, but that rejection doesn't got power to go higher to break that last high which is here. So that not halted till now. Another thing now, I just show you here, make it like that is better now. If it's breaking above here, we can enter long here. For the short is very simple. For the short you can just do it like that, a trend line here and here in the top like that. As you see it, a very clear triangle. If it's breaking down here, you can go with it, and me personally I think it's going to fall down. I told you till where exactly, between 28k till 27k, that the target. So till now the Bitcoin is showing to us is going to fall down more than that. So that's bad news. What can I told you? That's the only thing I can say. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, and me have been talking about that indicator thousands of times. I told you till now we haven't touched here the oversold area. So till now everything is still telling to us we're still in a downtrend. And look at it by your eye every time how long we staying down here. I've been talking about that one thousands of times. So till now the market is still showing to us we're still falling down, guys. That's a part of the game. You need to accept it when it's falling. You need to accept it when it's going up. That's how is it the market. The market not always going up. Sometimes it's falling, sometimes it's going up. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. We been here at the oversold area, came here, now it go back down. That's why me I told you those ones, they are just oscillators. Also we need to follow price action. Sometimes the price action it give us the right, sometimes it give us a fake, like here, like how it's happened here. It went up till here, it touched here the 200 moving average. Now it's showing to us maybe the market is going to fall down more than that. That's a part of the game. And the Bitcoin, when it's falling, it doesn't fall down straight away. It always fall down by waves. So till now also we're still waiting that trend line here to be broke for us to enter long, and all our indicators to be at the oversold area. So till now there is nothing, so also we need to wait more till the right time, guys. Now there is nothing here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Over here, people they begin with us in Friday. The 3 days ago, we used to have here a head and shoulder here and that pin bar in the 4 hours as we enter along. Today here, it touched the 200 moving average here. We take profit here. That's for the people they hold from Friday here till today. We make nice profit now. And today me, because I want some people to enter, I told them to enter based on that channel here. We're getting broke here, but the Bitcoin couldn't break above here. That's bad news because in the 4 hours as I show you, we got the 200 moving average. That's why the Bitcoin it fell down quickly. Now, when it fell down by that candle here, I told them to enter short, and I'm going to tell you why me I told them to enter short, because I know some people they follow me from my Telegram channel. I told them to enter short because me I make it like a trend line like that. It's getting broke here. We enter short and we close that long. We enter from here. That's a part of the game. People they enter with us in Friday till today they make nice profit. People they just enter today, we try to catch it, but the market it fall down at us. That's a part of the game, guys. I'm so sorry for that. Another thing here. Now we got here that one here. If you came and you connect in those dots like that and you try to connect in those ones like that, as you see what you got here a very clear triangle here. If that one getting broke down here, another thing here. Now you got here a double bottom here. It just breaking the neckline now, as you see it now, or when us we talking. And the third thing we got here, that one I showed it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it. That one, which is that symmetric triangle I showed you before, which is that one here, and here in the top like that, as you see it, very clear symmetric triangle here. If that one getting broke down here, that means the market is going to fall down more than that. So that's what is it the market telling us till now. Let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. It gave us here a double top or a M like that. It's breaking the neckline at this time when also we're recording. The candle it's left for 6 minutes as you see it. If it closed like that, people who haven't entered short, they need to enter short and to go with it till our indicator is become here at the oversold area. And me I tell it to you before in yesterday videos. I told you we got here a very stronger level as you see it. Every time when we touch it here, the market it fall down, and the same thing now, doing the same thing, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.